what's up out there, YouTube? Double D here with Tournage Dubois. Welcome back. As you know, we're in the middle of a big shop build, so we're going through that last week. We have another quick update this week. Sorry, no big turning projects, but we're going to get there once the shop is done. So a couple of big updates this week. Got the electric hooked up. If you follow me on Instagram and on my Facebook page, got the electric hooked up, so we are running on shop power instead of extension cords. Hopefully early this week coming up, we're going to get the lights in and start running electrical and a few other things. This week we're just going to have a couple of quick short videos of time-lapse photos putting up the wall boards, and then the second part is doing the primer on the wall boards with the sprayer just to keep you updated. Wasn't wanting to go on very well with a roller because of the slick board, but that's okay. The sprayer worked marvelously, and then we'll be able to start getting some painting done. Got a couple of little walls to frame up where the mower is going to go to keep that separate. The dust collector will be in there as well. So we will keep rolling with the time-lapse photos. Hopefully you all are enjoying that. I want to give a quick shout out to Scott over at Third Bay Woodworking. Check him out. Give his information down on it from Instagram down below. Definitely check him out, support him and his work. Does some good stuff and is really fun with a lot of the things that he does. So we'll jump straight into those two quick videos, and then we'll be back to wrap this up with some big news of a giveaway. So stick around and we will get that taken care of. Hey everybody, hope that was fun. I know they were super short, but wanted to keep you guys as much up to date as we possibly could. We've made a lot of progress here, and I could not have done it without a lot of the help of my father-in-law, my brother-in-law, my wonderful wife, my buddy Jason that came over to help, my buddy Jimmy who's helping with the electrical. Huge thank you to you all as we move forward with this build. So words cannot express the thank you for that, as well as the support from the community and wanting to know progress and giving me that push to keep going, that things are looking great. So huge thank you to each and every one of you. For the giveaway, we are supporting our good buddy Brad over at Brad's Workbench and Brad's Wood Turning. I will put links to his channels down below. There are several channels. We are all giving away a kit of Brad's Tung Wax and Abrasive paste for you, the viewers. You can enter on each and every channel. I'm going to list them all down below. We've got Kim Tip and Woodworking. We have Duca Heritage. We have Adamson Woodworking and myself. We also have Brad, who's given away a kit. So subscribe to all of those channels. I will put links to each and every one of them down below. Subscribe to those channels. Each one is going to put out a video with instructions for that video of how to enter into the contest and win. You can win across multiple channels, so make sure and subscribe to their channels, follow them, see what amazing work that they do, but also for that free chance to win. Now this contest is limited to US individuals only. We apologize for all of our international viewers and supporters, but due to the restraints with the pandemic and just the overall shipping and customs requirements to go international, it's just cost prohibitive at this point. That being said, to enter into the contest on this channel, you need to be a subscriber. So please, if you haven't, please do hit that subscribe button, get that bell notification so you get notifications when we put out new videos, and make sure and let everybody else know to do that. The second stipulation, comment down below. Say whatever you want. Give it the thumbs up, thumbs down, of course, if you liked it or didn't like it, but comment down below for your chance to win. For the video, we want you to utilize the word Tung Wax Kit. So look for the phrase, put the phrase Tung Wax Kit in your comment. That will be utilized in the random pick generator that I will utilize. So to look through the comments, find that phrase. If you use that, and I'm just going to spell it out here, Tung Wax Kit, make sure and use that phrase so that it will pick that up and you'll be entered into that drawing. So you have up until June 13th to enter into this contest. So this is ongoing for about a little over, right about a month here. Actually just a little bit over, but you have until June 13th. On June 13th, I will pick a random comment with that phrase, and we will pick our winner, and we will get you the information on how to contact Brad, get in touch with him to get that kit shipped to you. So once again, use the phrase Tung Wax Kit in the comments down below. You need to be a subscriber to this channel, and we will get you entered into that drawing. So good luck, everybody, and we will catch you next week.